Ever wondered about the structure of hair and how it grows? Let's dive in. Each hair has a hair shaft and a hair root. The hair root is in the skin and extends down to the deeper layers of the skin. It is surrounded by the hair follicle, which is also connected to a sebaceous gland. Each hair follicle is attached to a tiny muscle that can make the hair stand up. New cells are constantly forming in the hair bulb. These cells stick together and harden, forming the full strand of hair. Because new hardened cells keep attaching to the hair from below, it is gradually pushed up out of the skin. A single hair on your head grows at a rate of about 1 centimeter per month. As long as new hair cells continue to grow in the hair bulb, the hair continues to grow longer. At any point in time, about 90% of a person's total amount of hair is in this growth phase. The growth phase is especially short for eyelashes, eyebrows, nasal hair, and ear hair. Hair is truly fascinating, isn't it?